Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to check plagiarism with Quetext. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to check plagiarism with Quetext, all you gotta do is simply go to Quetext. Once you're in your Quetext, you need to simply get tapped in and get logged in into your account. Now to check your plagiarism with Quetext, you need to tap on Run Plagiarism Checker. After this, you need to copy and paste text or upload a file that can be a Word or PDF into the tool called Click Check Plagiarism. Once you have done this, you need to now review the detailed report that highlights match content with a score, using its deep search and color grade feature to identify and resolve issues by adding citations or rephrasing. So if you're going to do this, then you will be able to simply check plagiarism with Quetext. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.